Okay, Facebook people, come on. You gotta stop with the whole updates where you're like, hey, eating a sandwich. But about that, please stop doing that. One of my, not gonna mention who it is, just a family member. Okay, cousin. Okay, one of my cousins. Yeah, I'm still new at this. I haven't done a lot of vlogging or video. Right now I'm just gonna set it up where I do questions, you send them to me, I answer them, just for the fun of it. But yeah, about Facebook. Like I'll go on Facebook and be like, ooh, 30 new updates. So happy. Yeah, anyways. And then I'll find out it's the exact same person. Every time. So people who do that, stop. Facebook is not your life. But regardless of that, that's just something I wanted to say. This is just a new thing, so if you have any questions, comment on them below in the comment box, all down here. And subscribe to MegaJam80. It's me, this guy. It was a group of like 2 other guys other than me, but we don't do it anymore. They're on to their own videos. I'll probably set up a link eventually, so just do that. I'll set up the link later, but for now, subscribe to me, make comments, put questions, so I can answer questions. I'll come up with more, and I'll do, at the very end, I'll have random stuff like, oh, here's a funny meme, or something like that. Or a random question for you to answer in the comment box, depending on what you want to do. It's still kind of a deciding moment on what I'm going to do exactly. But, for the people that are watching this, if anyone's watching it at all, it may just be on YouTube sitting there for years before anyone watches it. But, regardless of that, make comments. That's all I got to say. Bye.